Hey friends, Greg with the Pennywise guys. When I removed the pump from this well, I found the lower sections of pipe were severely rusted. Let me show you how to restore that pipe so you can reuse them. Let's get started. Here is the solution to that corrosion problem to keep it from happening again. Notice it's corroded here and not up all the way down to the pump. Perfectly clean. And the corrosion starts there. Why is that? Because they had that section there wrapped with the 10 mil 2-inch wide vinyl tape that's for underground burial to protect corrosion and that kind of thing happening. I've never seen them wrap pipe like that. They did so here, and then from that point on it corroded, except for the upper sections, which are still underwater. I started by removing all the rust with my grinder with the flap disc onto the sanding disc. Got all that rust off, got it down to the metal. There is a lot of pitting. We'll take care of that. That's not a problem. It's not pitted all the way through. We're going to protect it from corroding again. I went ahead and treated it with the rust cutter. It stops rust. It gets the rust neutralized. Spray it on there, leave it on there, wipe it off. And you've got now a piece of pipe that's just got a bunch of pits in it. Between the two pipes, these didn't corrode, these did. These were underwater, up and down. And what happened, I found out these are the ones at the bottom where the water level is going up and down. And I was told that if the pipe is in water continuously, it doesn't corrode as nearly as much as if it gets wet and gets oxidized, because it's now exposed to air, water. Corrosion and rust builds up very quickly. So my lower portions of pipe, that's what was happening, because my water levels are going up and down. This pipe was getting wet, dry. That's why it happened. Okay, we're going to solve that problem by applying the 10 mil 2-inch wide vinyl tape. It's going to go ahead and coat all of this with this this tape. I go ahead and start all the way about a ½ inch away from the connector, because we're going to go ahead and tape the connectors as we go. So we'll start a ½ inch away, thereabouts, a little bit more. Get it on there, because okay, we'll go ahead and do that, and then we're going to go ahead and angle it here like this and get a good overlap. Just continue it down the line, leave a ½ inch from either end, and when we don't cover the threads on that side, we put the pipes together. When we do the install, then we'll do the wraps around the joints and stuff and get it completely sealed. I'm only going to do the sections that are below 40 feet. My water table is never higher than 45 feet, so I'm not going to vinyl tape all the upper sections. Alright, it's all finished. It's all wrapped. There's the 5 pieces that'll get me above the water line. I wrapped it all the way across on the metal first, then put the wires across and put one wrap around the wires to hold everything in place. There's the connectors there. So that just helps hold them in place. And about a ½ inch overlap on the, when you're wrapping it, about a ½ inch overlap. Leave enough here on the end to get the pipe wrenches on there to tighten down the pipe to the connector, and then I will tape the remaining of the pipe and the connector on both sides all together. And that'll seal everything, and it will not corrode anymore. Okay, so there's the pipe. It will not be taped, but it's above the water, and we should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed today. And there's the pump. It's only 3 years old, but it should be doing fine. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. I'm a general contractor and a lifelong do-it-yourselfer, and I enjoy finding ways to save time and money and helping others to do the same. Here at the Pennywise guys, we're a group of contractors, friends, and family that have a wide range of experience in all different areas. And we want to share these videos with you to help you with your projects at home. So please like, subscribe, and share,
join our team. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed, that you know Him who is the author of life.